Good morning and welcome to today's video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, Birmingham. Today we're showcasing our Vauxhall Mokka. It's 1.6 petrol. It's a tech line. It's two-wheel drive. It's start-stop. Covered 56,000 miles, 2 owners, full service history. Had the cam belt replaced at 54,000 miles, so very recently. As you can see, it has front park sensors, front fog lamps, alloy wheels, pearl white metallic paintwork, nice roof rails, pretty car this. Tech line, so it comes very well specified. The tech line model, plus this has a winter pack. So we have satellite navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, start stop, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 1.6 petrol, 6-speed manual. Really well maintained, lovely and clean inside. Great that it's had the cam belt done. 2 owners from new, got 2 keys with it. As I say, 56,000 miles, cam belt replaced 2,000 miles ago. Front park sensors, rear park sensors, nice big boot, parcel shelves in there. Underneath the floor is a space saver spare wheel, a jack and a wheel brace. Sharp car this all round, wheels are in lovely condition, good tyres, best colour I think for this car, pearl white. Always sell really well these 1.6 petrol Mokka, especially the tech, because it's got all the options you would need. 56,930 miles. There's your sat nav, as I say, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your phone, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control. It's got armrests for the driver. Real clean, tidy car. Priced at £7,795. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock currently on sale, or visit Barclay Motor Company on Instagram or Facebook on our social media channels, or please go to YouTube where this video and all of our car videos end up. If you go to YouTube, please subscribe to Barclay Motor Company's channel, and then you will be the first to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh car. Thank you very much for watching today. Goodbye.